This is how you're going to set up and use MCP servers in Cursor. MCP or multi-component protocol serves as perfect for handling logic, APIs, and workflows across complex apps, and Cursor makes this easy. First, open your project in Cursor. Now, what you're going to do is to set up your project just like this. Now, you're going to install dependencies. Next is to create index.js. This is how it's going to look like. Next is you're going to add it to your cursor. Now go to settings, MCP, and add new MCP server. The command is node slash absolute slash path slash to slash your slash index.js. Now trigger your MCP by asking cursor to add 24 and 81. In agent mode, prompt 8 plus 24 and watch the add tool to your MCP get triggered. Now if it gets triggered, it means your MCP is working. And that is how you're going to set up and use MCP servers in Cursor.